Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable snipping tool on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable snipping tool on Windows 10 computer, go to search, type gpedit, now hit enter. Under computer configuration, expand administrative template, then expand Windows component, then expand tablet PC, and now click on accessories. Here you will find do not allow snapping tool to run. Right click on this setting and click on edit, click on enable and click on apply and then click on OK. Now the setting is enabled. Close local group policy editor. Now right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update /force to update group policy immediately. Click on OK. Updating the policy. Policy has been updated. Now I am going to check. In search type snipping tool. Click on snipping tool. And look, error. Windows cannot open this program because it has been prevented by a software restriction policy. This is the easiest way to disable snipping tool on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.